In this video, we discuss about indices values. So analysis of indices helps us to get pulse of the overall market. Furthermore, indices values are required to calculate the systematic risk of equities. So where from we are going to source the indices values. So this video presents you how to source indices values from National Stock Exchange of India. So first we go to National Stock Exchange of India official website, that is www.nse National Stock Exchange India INDIA NSEindia.com. So this takes you to National Stock Exchange of India official website, that is NSEindia.com. Once you get this, the official website of National Stock Exchange of India, click on products and then a capital market section, go to indices, click on indices. So here we have an indices section. It gives you current market reports, historical data and about indices. We click on historical data, then historical index data, and archives of daily, monthly returns and PE values, all that. So we look at historical index data, which provides you index wise open, high, low, close values with the shares traded and turnover. Click on search. So in the National Stock Exchange historical index, various indices are available. So in the broad market indices like CNX Nifty, Junior, CNX 100, 200, CNX 500, and sectoral indices like CNX Auto, Bank, Energy, and thematic indices like CNX Commodities, Consumption, and strategy indices. So basing on your requirement, you choose any of your choice indices, but normally to calculate the systematic risk we use CNX Nifty. Or if you want to have a more if your stocks are into mid size, or then you can go for CNX 200 or CNX 500 or mid cap. But we'll see how to source data of CNX Nifty. So select the CNX Nifty, select the time period, let us say Jan 2013, 1st Jan is our start date, then 2013 December 31st. I am sourcing data for one calendar year, and click on get data. So this provides you the historical data of for a period 1 year from starting from 1st Jan to 31st December. And since the number of records are more than 100, kindly download the CSV file to view all records. So it gives you data till only 24th, but to download the complete year data, here click on download file in CSV format, that is comma separated value format, which is one type of Excel format. So download file, put a cursor here, click on a download, and it will get downloaded to your system. So save as and give a destination. So where you want to save, I am saving it on my desktop. So save as desktop and click on save. So once it is saved, it prompts you to for open. So click on open, and you can see the data here in Excel. So any calculations that you want to do, you can perform the calculations here. So let us say just simply we try to calculate the percentage change of a close price minus previous close divided by previous close into 100 to what a percentage change value. So this is how you can calculate the values once you download the data sheet.